In this video, you'll learn how to add a photo gallery to your Webflow website. By following these instructions, you will successfully integrate a visually appealing gallery into your site, enhancing its overall aesthetic and functionality. Start by navigating to your Webflow project. Open your browser and go to the Webflow dashboard. Once there, locate and select your project titled Shangri-La's Fabulous Site. This will take you to the main design interface where you can make all necessary changes to your site. Next, look for the Add Element button on the left-hand sidebar. This button is typically represented by a plus sign icon. Click on this icon to open the Elements panel. This panel contains various components that you can add to your Webflow project. After that, in the Elements panel, find the option labeled Layouts. This section contains different layout options for your website. Click on Layouts to expand this category, allowing you to view the available layout elements. Now, type the word gallery into the search bar located at the top of the Layouts section. As you type, the panel will filter the results to display relevant elements. This helps you quickly find the gallery component you need for your project. Once the results appear, look for an item labeled Gallery Overview. This is the component you will use to create your photo gallery. Click on it to select it, and then drag it onto your web page where you want the gallery to be displayed. You will see a visual cue indicating where the gallery will be placed. Next, locate the Assets panel on the left side of the interface. This panel contains all the images and files that you have uploaded to your project. Click on the Assets tab to view your media library. Following this, click on the image block within the gallery overview you just placed. This action allows you to customize the images that will appear in your gallery. You will see options to replace the existing images with your own. Now, choose images from the Assets panel. Simply click on the images you wish to include in your gallery. You can select multiple images by holding down the Control or Command key while clicking. After selecting the images, confirm your choices and they will be added to the gallery. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.